Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do crochet drop stitch. Before doing crochet drop stitch, I did 20 foundation chain stitches and then 2 rows of single crochet stitches. You can put whichever stitches you want, single crochet stitches, double crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches, whatever. You can put 2 or 3 rows or 3 or 4 rows, then you can start up doing crochet drop stitch. That's your wish. To begin doing drop stitch, you have to put 1 chain, okay, and here I'm using this glue stick. This is a little bit wider one. It measures 11 mm, I guess, and if you want you can use this big crochet hook, because drop stitch will be a little bit bigger one, a little bit wide one, then only it will look good. So if you want you can use this crochet hook or knit needle or anything like this shape. Else you can use, if you want a bit bigger, you can use a scale. It's compared to this is a bit bigger. If you want your drop stitch bigger than this one, then you can use scale or whatever you have with you. So here I'm using this glue stick. So let's begin. So you have to put 1 chain, then you have to pull your yarn gently like this, and you have to put it on the stick or whatever you're using, okay, and just remove your hook. So next what you have to do is you have to skip your next stitch, or okay, you can see the next stitch. You have to skip the very next stitch and have to insert your hook into the second one, okay, second stitch, and you have to take yarn and pull out the hook and yarn together and chain 1 and pull your yarn gently like this, and have to place it on the stick, and you have to remove your hook. And next you have to continue the same way, but you don't need to skip any stitches hereafter. Just insert your hook directly into the very next stitch, and you have to take yarn and pull through and put 1 chain, pull your yarn gently, then place it on the stick and remove your hook, okay. Next, into the next stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, take yarn, pull through, chain 1, pull your yarn and place it on the stick. So you have to continue just like so all the way across the end of the row, okay. So here I finished putting drop stitches this entire row. So next what you have to do is you have to just slide it gently. This is how it will look like after removing your stick or needle or whatever. So next what you have to do is, don't worry, it won't come off. They are secured nice and well. So next what you have to do is, you have to insert your hook to the first loop. You have to be a bit careful with the first one because it's not secure. It will be a bit loose. So what you have to do is, you have to just insert your hook into the first loop which we made and take yarn and pull it through and put one chain. And now what you have to do is, whatever stitch you want to continue after this drop stitch, you can do. If you want, you can do single crochet stitches, double crochet stitches. So here I made 2 rows of single crochet stitches, so I don't want to do any other stitches. So I'm going to continue doing single crochet stitches. So after putting one stitch, after putting one chain, I'm going to insert my hook into the same loop and I'm doing a normal single crochet stitch into the same loop. Okay, let's pick the next one. Insert your hook into the next loop and take yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, if you're doing half double crochet stitch or double crochet stitch, I'll show you how to do. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next loop and yarn over, pull it through, and you have 3 loops in your hook. So if you're doing half double crochet stitch, pull through all the loops together. So we can just continue if you're doing half double crochet stitch. So here I'm doing single crochet stitch, so I'm continuing with single crochet stitch. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Again, insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again. So just like so, you have to continue. So I just finished the first row of drop stitch. So if you want to continue, we can continue doing drop stitch just like the previous row. So you can just put one chain and you have to take your stick or needle, whatever you're using, and just gently pull your yarn and place it on the stick and tight your yarn. Then you have to skip your next stitch and have to insert your hook into the second one and yarn over, pull through, chain 1, pull your yarn and place it on the stick, remove your hook, tight your yarn. So you have to continue just like so. If you don't want to continue doing drop stitches, what you have to do is you can do 2 or 3 rows of double crochet or single crochet, half double crochet, whatever. Then you can start up doing new row of drop stitch. If you want to continue, if you want to repeat drop stitches in the next row, then you can continue just like as I showed you just back. Hope you all learned how to do crochet drop stitch, and if you like this video, please do like, share to all your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.